y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do get some more spoilers for the Ipsy August. Now this is for the ultimate bag. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on new spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing more spoilers for the BoxyCharm July base box. Thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says first, hey Mandy. Well, hey Jenny girl, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I hope your 4th tomorrow goes amazing, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments to pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, now before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button during that time. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about half a second, so don't blink your eyes. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of the year, so who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, this is for the August Ultimate Ipsy GlamBag. So first is the Complex Culture Plush Powder Brush. Next up, I don't know how to say this, is it Payot or something like that, Hydra 24 Plus Cream. And then we have the, is it Dolce Freematic Limited Edition Smoky Pro Palette. Looks kind of like a face and eye palette together. Looks like it's got 8 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter. And then last but certainly not least is the 111 Skin ATP Cryo Booster. So let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Paula Frank. Paula says, good evening, Mandy. Well, good evening, Paula, honey. I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you watching the video. Thank you. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.